Hello guys, I'm accepting orders sa mga magpapagawa po ng crochet terno na top and short. Ayan guys, ito po yung achieve ko yung gawa ko. Ayan. Handmade lang po siya and how many times ko na to na used yung purple na yan. And then, ito naman yung sa customer ko. Ayan, she likes green, what is this? Sprout green. And then black with mixed black. So ito yung top. Ayan. Ito pala yung top. And ito yung short. So hindi ko pa tapos ang short. Then nagagawa ako ng flower for the middle here. So ayan siya guys. So at may bini na din akong nagawa for the first time. Super thick na bini. As in super kapal na bini guys. Ay, hindi talaga yung bunbunan mo dito. Ayan yung inside. Super thick talaga siya. As in, hindi siya, mabilis Hindi to mabilis masira, guys. Kasi handmade ko to, guys. Ako pag sa mga ganito. So, if you want to order, guys, just PM me. Just send me a message here on TikTok. And also on Facebook, guys. I have my Facebook here. So, check it on my profile. You can see it. And also, my number is here. So I make bags also. So, the two of them, I already packed it. So, thank you for watching. And God bless.